Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to download a sample database. The database we are going to download is called AdventureWorks 2014. The download files are compacted, so you will need to extract them before you can use them. And you'll need a file extraction tool, and there are several. You got WinZip, WinRAR, 7-Zip, and you can do a Google search and see if you can find some more. In our previous lecture, we installed SQL Server 2014. I just want to test to make sure everything's okay. So I'm going to go to Start, All Programs, Microsoft SQL Server 2014. I'll click on that and I'll click on this SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. This is the tool we'll be using to communicate and do most of our work within SQL Server. So when you launch the tool initially, you are given this option here. When we set up the installation, we had a mixed mode authentication. So you can either authenticate by Windows or by the SQL Server authentication. If I wanted to change the authentication, I just select here and select SQL Server. For now, I'm going to use Windows and click Connect. So it has successfully connected me to the SQL Server 2014 Express Edition. If I click on that, it gives me a list of the database that comes with the installation. That's the system database, and give me other options as well. So I'm happy we can connect to the database. That means the installation went okay. So I'm just going to exit by going File, Exit. To download a sample database, just type in your Google search, type in Download AdventureWorks 2014, and you're given a list. Select this option here, the one that says Microsoft SQL Server Product Samples. Click on that and you are presented with this screen here. I want to take you to a different site. So where you've got the address bar there, place your mouse at the very bottom, very last, and / and type in release and press enter. And that will take you, okay. I missed out the S. I typed in release instead of releases. So you should get a screen like this with this page. The option I want you to go for is this recommended download here. This is the one I want you to download. AdventureWorks 2014 Full Database Backup.zip. That means it's a zipped folder, so you need to unzip it before you can use it. If you take a look on the right here, you've got these are released, and then this is planned release. Here is got AdventureWorks 2014 sampled databases, and it's got the date. Next to it, it's got stable. That means this version is stable. Okay. Here we've got, this was released, uploaded on the 24th, 2014. So this here, the update date looks more recent, July 3rd. So I'm going to click on that option, because that looks more recent, and you get this page. So to begin the download, just click on that, AdventureWorks 2014 Full Database Backup. So click to begin the download. So that's my download. It has started. The download is completed. So let's have a look at the downloaded file. I'm just going to click show in folder. So this is the file here. Notice it's in an extractable format. So I'm just going to extract it because I've got WinRAR. I'm going to right click and I click on extract here. So it will extract it in the same directory. So this is the database and it's got a .bak extension. So let's right click and see how big it is. Okay, it's a reasonable small size, 44.5 megabyte. All right, excellent. So we've got our database downloaded and extracted. In the next lecture, we'll attach the database to our SQL Server. Thanks for watching.